Hello there, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will demonstrate how to remove background noise and keyboard sounds in OBS Studio. 1. Add your microphone to OBS. Open OBS Studio. Go to the audio mixer section and ensure your microphone is added as an audio input source. If it isn't, click the plus in the sources panel. Choose audio input capture and select your microphone. 2. Access filters. In the audio mixer, find your microphone source. Click the gear icon next to it and select filters. Add noise suppression. In the filters window, click the plus button at the bottom left and choose noise suppression. Select a suppression method. RN noise, higher quality, more effective at removing background noise. Speaks, offer more control over suppression strength. Adjust the suppression level to reduce background noise while keeping your voice clear. 4. Add noise gate. Click the plus button again and choose noise gate. Configure the following. Close threshold. Set this to the volume level at which the microphone stops picking up sound. Example, background noise. Open threshold. Set this to the volume level at which the microphone starts picking up sound. Example, your voice. Test and adjust until keyboard sounds are not picked out, but your voice is still heard clearly. And guys, that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below for more tutorials on your favorite apps. Happy exploring!